Hello student, today we are going to learn what is high pressure welding and what is low pressure welding in oxyacetylene welding process. Okay. There are two systems of oxyacetylene welding depending upon the manner in which acetylene is supplied for welding, in which process acetylene is supplied. Number one, high pressure system means high pressure welding. Number two, low pressure system or low pressure welding. Acetylene is supplied either from generator or it may be purchased in metal cylinder. Here generators means acetylene is produced by reaction of water with calcium carbide in plant, and acetylene is supplied directly from generating plant. Okay. Oxygen is always supplied from metal cylinders. Okay. Now, what is high pressure system? What is high pressure welding system? In this method, both oxygen and acetylene are obtained for use from high pressure cylinder. Acetylene and oxygen both are used from high pressure metal cylinder. Okay. Now, what is low pressure system? What is low pressure welding system? In this method, oxygen is taken as usual from a high pressure cylinder. Oxygen is taken always from high pressure cylinder, but acetylene is generated by the action of water on carbide, usually calcium carbide, in a low pressure acetylene generator, in a low pressure acetylene generator plant. Reaction is calcium carbide plus H2O equal to calcium hydroxide and acetylene. This is low pressure acetylene generator from the plant. Okay. It is clear, my student? Thank you.